Spidey, what are you doing?
Trying to build my own.
Huh?
Trying to build my own channel.
Anna, jacket so powerful, still there. I am there. It's recording. We'll go, I'm saying. Hey.
There are so many dogs.
Guys, it's raining. It's raining.
Another one. Yeah, right behind. Say hi, everyone.
So guys, midnight cravings for coffee.
बर्गर खाते बर्गर
पागल है? I mean, yeah, it's there. Wait, it's so far. We have to go there.
नहीं तो इतना दूर नहीं है जितना ये है उतना भी दूर नहीं है जितना ये है
क्या?
यू नो गोकाराजू रंगाराजू में स्कूटी पे जा सकता हूँ
अबे मैं कैंटीन की बात कर रहा हूँ. So guys, we just had a burger at 1 in the morning.
It's too my boy.
Okay, yeah, it's 2 in the morning. And now we're having a donut. They had what you guys had? Brownies, right?
Yeah, we had brownies.
Yeah, they had brownies.
One was chocolate fudge.
And yeah. So we too had double cheeseburger, chicken burger, and then now we are having some sweet.
I wanted a diet coke, but
And I wanted a coffee, but
दुकान बंद हो गया. Yeah.
So guys, we are halfway done through this. So right now it's just final checks, final scans and all those things. I don't know why it's creating another file, but yeah, let it do it. It's just creating another test file for final checks. And then we'll start with the front end, and Rag is building the front end, guys.
Trying. Building is a big word.
But yeah, he's trying, guys. Just look. We need the structure. It's good. So yeah, let's go. Honest. So, okay, so it's in temp, but Spidey, what are you doing?
Trying to build my own.
Huh?
Trying to build my own channel.
Seriously?
No, no.
Yes, you are.
How you can sleep? he's a backman of Hackathon 2026 Hackathon Inspire because he is the one who is going to code a whole line.
Yes, you are.
Be passionate about your solution that you are building. How can you be passionate? If that is the problem that you also have, then you can easily be passionate about what you are building. Right? If you want the prize money, that is also how you are passionate. Make sure that you are aiming for the 50,000 rupees first prize. Second, no who's pitching. If you have a team of more than 3 people, 4 people, decide who's the one who's pitching. Without that, like I say on the slide, 2 people pitching will only work in where? Business or life only. Nowhere else. So you have to decide now who's that one person on your team pitching. Okay? Time to think about the pitch. We have less than.
So guys, it's 4 a.m. in the morning, 4:15, and it started detecting, guys. So I just gave him this username in this mail, then it scattered the whole internet. Through that, it went to GitHub, and through GitHub it got my followers and repositories, and then Telegram and all those things. And you know what? From that, key findings, GitHub profile shows his real name, mine, and then my profile website. I didn't do anything. He doesn't even know it's the new context, but it started doing that. So yep, I mean, it's working, guys. So yep, let's go and fix it more. And yeah, all I need to do is one final wrap, and yep, it's done. So yeah, we'll meet you soon. So guys, finally सब hackathon हो गया है. Everyone left, and I know I'm recording it. I haven't recorded much this time cause I was having fun of IIT. क्या बोलता है भाई?
ये बोला.
Bro, IIT was heaven.
Actually bro, तुम इधर गुम हो जाओगे.
I mean, even the judging was good, bro. You will never see me like I'm appreciating the judges, but yeah, judging
This
was
is the
good.
first hackathon. You'll see the good judging criteria and speech. Everyone will
क्योंकि
get
कल
the
हम क्योंकि tomorrow we'll gonna get our results in our digital way.
Yep. What's up?
No, not WhatsApp. We'll get on our dashboard.
Oh, then that's a good thing.
That's what they mentioned in their website.
बढ़िया है.
So, yep. So everyone left. Arshita, Nishant, Harika, Vardhan, Shriya, Vamsi, Bhagav, Samit. Right now, me, Hemant, Gyani, Abhinay, Samad, and Namrata are here. So we are gonna book the cab.
Hey, wait a second. Remember that. How many subscribers you have right now?
884.
You haven't reached 1K?
No, bro. I was lazy, guys. Guys, I'm lazy, guys. Please, sorry. एक महीने में एक वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ.
छी.
अबे एडिटर कोई नहीं है. When you were there, I used to upload weekly.
That's the different thing. Even I used to work on things.
Guys, if you think why the videos are delaying, he's the reason. He quit as an
because of
editor.
me. I didn't quit. I just took a break. I'm learning a new thing though.
He took around 4 months of break,
Yeah.
and in those 4 months, my channel's reach has been decreased. I mean, it's not decreased; it's random. So, क्या कर?
चलेगा.
कहाँ जाएगा? आना तो इधर ही है तो चारों को.
वो YouTube चैनल चलेगा बोल.
अच्छा,
Yes. कॉल आ रहा है.
मम्मी होगी. मम्मी?
हेलो.
मम्मी है, guys. So, yep.